Let's talk about what makes EVs truly fun performance. Electric motors deliver instant torque, press the pedal, and you're gone. That's why EVs like the Tesla Model S Plaid can out-accelerate supercars. Even family EVs can surprise you at a stoplight. The battery's low placement gives EVs a low center of gravity, improving handling and stability. Less body roll means more confidence in corners. Many EVs offer one-pedal driving, lift off the accelerator, and the car slows while recharging the battery. It's smooth, efficient, and makes city driving a breeze. The driving experience is silent, seamless, and addictive. EVs aren't just green, they're thrilling to drive. The performance gap between electric and gas is closing fast. For driving enthusiasts, EVs are rewriting the rules. The future of speed is electric. Step inside a modern EV, and you'll feel like you're in the future. Flat floors and clever storage, like a front trunk, make cabins spacious and practical. Massive touchscreens control everything, from navigation to climate to performance. Tesla started the trend, but now every brand is pushing high-tech interiors. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets smarter while you sleep. Advanced driver assistance features are becoming standard, making driving safer and easier. Use your phone as a key, precondition the cabin, or even power your home with your car's battery. EVs are more than transportation. They're integrated into your digital life. The innovation is constant, and the possibilities keep expanding. These aren't just cars. They're rolling tech hubs. The future of mobility is smart, connected, and electric. Electric cars are here, but the future is even brighter. The world of electric vehicles is evolving at a rapid pace, and what's coming next will transform how we drive, commute, and even think about transportation. Expect an explosion of new models, compact EVs, sports cars, rugged SUVs, and more trucks. Automakers are racing to fill every niche, so soon there will be an electric vehicle for every lifestyle and need. Automakers want an electric option for every buyer and every budget. Whether you're looking for something affordable or luxurious, there's an EV on the way for you. Battery technology is advancing fast. Solid-state batteries promise more range and faster charging. Soon, long road trips in an EV will be easier than ever, with less time spent waiting and more time on the move. Charging infrastructure is expanding, with more stations and faster chargers everywhere. Cities and highways are being transformed to support the growing number of electric vehicles on the road. Tesla's supercharger network is opening to other brands, making charging easier for all. Soon, finding a place to charge will be as simple as finding a gas station today. Smart tech will let your car charge when electricity is cheapest, or even sell power back to the grid. Your EV could help power your home or support the energy grid during peak times. Wireless charging is on the horizon. Just park and charge, no plugs needed. This technology will make owning an EV even more convenient and seamless. The EV ecosystem is growing smarter and more convenient every day. Apps and connected services will make managing your car and charging routine effortless. The next breakthroughs are just around the corner. From self-driving features to new materials, innovation is accelerating. The electric future isn't just about cars, it's about a whole new way of living. EVs will connect with our homes, our cities, and our daily routines in ways we're only beginning to imagine. The road ahead is full of innovation. Every journey will be cleaner, smarter, and more exciting. Get ready for what's next. The electric revolution is just getting started. We're living through a once-in-a-century transformation. The shift to electric is as big as the move from horses to cars. It's changing how cars are designed, built, and experienced. The future isn't far off. It's happening now. Electric cars have reignited creativity and competition in the industry. We're seeing bold designs, wild performance, and tech we only dreamed of. From hypercars to family trucks, EVs are versatile and exciting. Challenges remain: charging, affordability, and battery sustainability. But solutions are coming fast. The transition won't happen overnight, but it's accelerating. Every EV on the road is a glimpse of what's possible. The journey is just beginning, and the ride will be incredible. The electric revolution is here. Are you ready? The future of driving is charged with potential. The electric car market is absolutely on fire in 2026. Every major automaker and some bold newcomers are racing to outdo each other in style, range, and performance. Today, I'm diving into the most anticipated electric vehicles dropping this year, from Tesla and Ferrari to Hyundai and Rivian. Buckle up. Let's break down what makes these 2026 models the future of driving. Let's kick things off with the Tesla Roadster, a car that's not just rewriting the rulebook, but tearing it up entirely. This isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a bold statement, a symbol of what the future of high-performance driving looks like. The Roadster represents a true rebirth of the electric supercar, blending cutting-edge technology with jaw-dropping aesthetics. It's the kind of car that makes you stop and stare, whether you're a die-hard petrolhead or a tech enthusiast. Underneath its sleek exterior, the 2026 Roadster boasts an astonishing 998 kilometers of range on a single charge. That's not just impressive for an electric car, it's a game-changer for the entire supercar segment. Imagine driving from Los Angeles to San Francisco and back, all without stopping to recharge. This incredible range is made possible by Tesla's relentless innovation in battery technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and setting new standards for the industry. But it's not just about distance. The Roadster rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. That's acceleration that rivals the world's fastest hypercars, delivering an instant surge of power that pins you to your seat and leaves your heart racing. Tesla's advanced aerodynamics and state-of-the-art traction control systems keep the Roadster glued to the tarmac, even as you carve through tight corners or unleash its full power on the open road. Every detail, from the low-slung stance to the precision-tuned suspension, is engineered for maximum performance and control. The result, a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is confidence-inspiring, whether you're pushing the limits on a racetrack or enjoying a spirited drive through winding mountain roads. Step inside, and you'll find a minimalist interior that's all about the driver. The cockpit is uncluttered, futuristic, and intuitively designed, putting every control at your fingertips. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an environment that's both luxurious and purposeful. The signature glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, while the Roadster's futuristic design ensures it stands out in any crowd. Every curve and contour is sculpted for both beauty and aerodynamic efficiency, making it a true head-turner wherever it goes. And when it's time to recharge, the Roadster connects seamlessly to Tesla's latest supercharger network. With ultra-fast charging speeds and a vast network of stations, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. You're free to explore, adventure, and push boundaries without ever worrying about running out of juice. Planning a road trip? The integrated navigation system automatically maps out charging stops, ensuring your journey is as smooth and effortless as possible. But make no mistake, the Roadster isn't just about raw speed or cutting-edge tech. It's a bold statement that Tesla is leading the electric vehicle revolution, setting new benchmarks for what's possible in the world of high-performance cars. Expect headlines, broken records, and plenty of envy from those still clinging to the past. The Roadster is here to shatter expectations and redefine what a supercar can be. If you ever doubted that electric cars could deliver true excitement, the Roadster will change your mind in an instant. It's proof that sustainability and adrenaline can go hand in hand. This is the electric supercar that's redefining what's possible, blending breathtaking performance, innovative technology, and unmistakable style into one unforgettable package. The future of supercars has arrived, and it's electric.